$5 trillion, one company. Every AI model on Earth pays the toll. Started out in pixels, made the gamer screens ignite. Then the math behind the graphics turned out perfect for the fight. Training neural networks, every model, every lab needs a stack of their silicon and CUDAs on the tab. It ain't just chips, it's the software in the wire. NVLink to InfiniBand, whole racks for hire. They don't sell you a part, they sell the factory entire. Every AI dream you got, they supply the fire. 92% flows off the data center floor. 75 points of margin, hardware never did that before. CUDA is the moat, and the whole world's at the door. NVDA, the toll booth of the war. Pay the toll, pay the toll, pay the toll. 5 trillion on the cap, and they're still guiding for more. 81.6, that's a quarter, not a year. Up 85%, make the comps just disappear. 91 on the guide, 48 of it free cash. 80 billion buyback, bump the dividend in a flash. 1 cent to a quarter, now the boardroom's feeling grand. Blackwell sold out, Rubin's next in demand. Jensen at the keynote with the leather on his back, saying agentic AI arrived, and the numbers hold the fact. But hold up, every empire's got a crack in the wall. Your biggest customers are building their own chips down the hall. Broadcom's ASICs rising, hyperscalers want it cheap. For customers, most of revenue concentration runs deep. China zeroed from the outlook, that's a market off the plan. And if CAPEX ever flinches, the multiple won't stand. Price for perfection, that's the risk you gotta price. The moat is real, but so's the toll, and giants don't pay twice. 92% flows off the data center floor. 75 points of margin, hardware never did that before. CUDA is the moat, and the whole world's at the door. NVDA, the toll booth of the war. Pay the toll, pay the toll, pay the toll. Know the thesis, know the risk, then decide what it's for. Not investment advice. Do your own diligence. Next ticker drops Friday.